Welcome back mga kajabagab! Today, we'll be making an appetizer recipe. Very quick and easy. Homemade, extra crispy onion rings.
So we have here a medium-sized onion and a huge-sized onion which we will be using for today's recipe. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end!
Now we'll start by slicing the onion into half an inch. Then divide into rings. It's up to you if you'll include the small ones, but for us, we won't. Just like this. Let's make our butter by preparing 1/2 cup of corn flour and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Then add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of chili powder. Mix all the ingredients. Then slowly add some water. And mix it until we get the desired consistency. Just like this. One by one, we will coat the onion rings into the butter. Then to the breadcrumbs. Then back to the butter. And lastly, into the breadcrumbs again so that it will be more crispier when we cook. Once everything is coated, we need to put it in a plastic container or any container in which you can seal it.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones that
Then we leave it to the fridge for at least an hour. After 1 hour, the onion rings are ready. Heat the pan.
Memories bring back, memories bring back.
Look at that. Pour adequate amount of oil for deep frying of the rings. Because we don't have a cooking thermometer, we improvised. Dip a stick into the pan. Once it's boiling, then it's ready.
Paano masabi?
Now we can start frying in a low-medium heat to avoid overcooking. We just wait until it will become golden brown.
Everything will be alright. Only the constant say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back yo. Memories bring back, memories bring back. Memories bring back, memories bring back. Memories bring back, memories bring back. Memories bring back, memories bring back.
Once it will be golden brown, take them out and let it sit in a rack or paper towel so that the excess oil will be removed.
Everything will be alright. Only the constant say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
Now let's test how crispy it is. Wow! Look at that! Can you hear it? Super crispy!
Memories bring back, memories bring back.
Then, we'll serve with mayonnaise and ketchup, or anything you like.
Memories bring back, memories bring back.
Wow! There you have it! Our quick and easy homemade crispy onion rings.
Maybe all I need, and darkness is all I see.
Thanks for watching mga kajabagab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye-bye!